Good morning, everybody. Jeremy here, doing a little bit of unboxing action on a new juicer, Omega VSJ843Q. My wife and I, we enjoy smoothies, and we have a Vitamix. But my wife really hates like pulpy kind of like that sediment that can get into smoothies when you blend vegetables whole. So we thought we would get a juicer to kind of try to alleviate some of that. And after doing a lot of research on the different types and the, it seemed like this was an overall very high quality slow juicer. So we're gonna just do a little unboxing action, see what's inside. Cutting through the little tape is a very heavy box actually, so it's a good sign that it's probably very sturdy. Some of the things that went into my decision-making process was ease of use, the quality, hopefully low amount of pulp. But this Omega brand also has a really strong 15-year warranty, whereas a lot of the other juicers just don't have that same type of thing. I'm going to move this down to the ground and pull out the box within a box within a box. Alright, let's kind of jiggle it around here. Ta-da! It's a little dusty. So we're just going to wipe that down here. Okay. Alright, let's see what's inside. Alright. Okay, well, number one, let's see here. We got another box, and it says number one, low speed juicer, vegetables. So let's see what's inside this guy. Looks like accessories. I have a couple plastic containers to catch the juice and to catch the pulp, so I'll be washing those before we use them. We have the little tamper, I guess, that helps push and feed the fruits and vegetables into the juicer itself. So we'll wash that, and a little brush to clean the mesh that these juicers. How it works is the slow juicer works is that it's has an auger that slowly squeezes the juice against the surface, and there's a mesh, and the juice goes through, the pulp goes into another container. So that's why it's called slow juicer. Whereas you've probably also seen the high-speed juicers that make these loud, and that's juicing by using blades. Alright, let's see what's down here on the bottom. Be a little gentle. Ta-da, ta-da. Okay, so this is the top of the juicing unit. So this is where the vegetables and fruit will go. We'll get into maybe some disassembly later once I get everything cleaned. Okay, so that's this box. My wife gives me a hard time, but I like to keep these boxes. So, okay, we have a user manual, and my wife likes to just get started right away, and I'm kind of a fan of reading the manual, so be reading material for today. Then we have something that says fruits, but not quite a box, so we'll just set that inside this box. We like to keep the packaging, like I said. Okay, let's see. Okay. Kind of a mechanism to try to keep the base in place. So, yeah, so let's pull this out. very sturdy feeling, very heavy. Which is good because then it keeps it stable. I'm just doing a final check. Make sure no little goodies are in the box. Cool. So then I'm gonna put some of these materials back in, keep all the plastic. The plastic just will go into the landfill. Maybe we could reuse this plastic when we move and need to pack and secure this. Boom, boom. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, first try. Sequence here. Probably keep this out. I might need the barcode or something. So, oh, I forgot this plastic. Okay, so there's a little plastic doohickey here on the cord, which I don't need to cut, which is nice. Don't always hate unpacking something and cutting part of your vital material. Plus, this can be kept to kind of leave on and help stow the cable, so we'll leave that on there. We won't cut that. Ta-da! Just for quick show, it should just pop right in and with a twist, I think. Let's see here. Little spots. Aha! There we go. So, how do you know what to put the juice in and what to put the pulp in? Well, this container has measurements on the side up to 35 ounces or so, 1,000 milliliters, so that would be the juice side. You put that there, you catch your pulp here. It has a little kind of spigot here, so you can kind of wait to pour the juice out. So we'll have to give it a shot after I get it all cleaned up. And then there's this little top, so theoretically you could just put your juice here, put that right in the fridge, and save it for later in the day. My wife and I, we bought some mason jars so that we could maybe, kind of juice enough for like a day in advance or so. The freshness of juice is really important when you're juicing, so you want to not let it sit for too long. yeah, so we'll get this all cleaned up, and maybe we'll come back once we do the first round of juicing. All right, take care. Bye.